we're talking about Las Vegas, Paparazzi's 2021 Celebrate Convention this year. Stay tuned. So I am excited about Convention for Paparazzi Accessories. Whoop, whoop. I am so excited to see all you folks there. So if you folks don't know the details, be sure to follow on social media for Paparazzi Accessories under their Instagram, Facebook, even on Pinterest. Be sure that your email is updated as well because you want all the latest and updates regarding events. So yes, we are having an in-person convention this year. Whoop, whoop. This will be my first convention as well attending. So I'm super excited on behalf of the Shine with Aloha team to just rock it out. So this year's theme for Paparazzi Accessories Convention is Celebrate 2021. They just made 10 years of celebrating financial freedom, 10 years of being able to bring strength, independence, and confidence to people, 10 years of empowering others. What a blessing it is to be able to mark and commemorate this very decade. And I'm excited to celebrate it with you. Now we have millions of reasons to celebrate, but convention is all about you. All about your hard work through your paparazzi year. So let's celebrate you. Join us this fall for what paparazzi has become. The connections it's created, the empowerment it's brought, and the love that started it all, the $5 bling. But like I said, most of all, it's celebrating you. Now, where is it going to be at? Las Vegas, baby, in the MGM Grand Hotel. The dates are going to be from August 2nd through August 6th. Now, MGM is a well-known hotel. Now, Paparazzi Accessories has gotten us a room there. That will be roughly around $128 as the daily rate for the hotel, but that doesn't include any resort fees, any tax fees, in addition to that fee. But that is a huge discount. MGM Hotel is a branch of different hotels, but it is so amazing. It's beautiful. If you have not been to it yet, or if you have not stayed there, it's worth staying there. And this is a convention, so it's going to be so convenient right there still in the hotel. But if you cannot afford it or you still need to budget for it, consider other hotels in the nearby area because that will actually allow you to save some money and then use it to shop till you drop. Now, tickets are going to cost $245. Yes, that is absolutely higher than what they normally charged in the past. But just know that we haven't had an actual in-person convention like last year. So this is kind of like making up for it if you think about it. You know paparazzi always spoils us. So $245 is going to be well worth it. Tickets go available on May 18th starting at Eastern Time at noon and will be valid all the way till either they sell out or June 30th at midnight Eastern Time. Now remember, tickets are a first come, first served basis. So don't wait on it. You need to get it. Now, one other thing to consider is that it's non-refundable and non-transferable. So make sure you know you're going to attend because $245 is a lot. So the ticket is going to grant you entrance into all the different events that we have to include the shopping events. It's also going to include the black and white gala, which I'm super excited to attend as well. Each attendee will receive registration materials along with a commemorative t-shirt. What's really important is when you register, be sure your consultant ID is accurate because there will be a fee tacked on if you need to change it. Now, if you purchase the large party kit, which was our $499 kit, you are in for a treat because in your kit has a free convention ticket. Now, that ticket that you received is not actually granting you access. It's actually a voucher that you will use to purchase your convention ticket. So don't think what you got in your kit is going to allow you to actually get into convention. You need to go redeem it. You actually have 1 year from the date you actually bought your starter kit to redeem your kit. My suggestion is if you're a little over a year, just ask. It doesn't hurt to ask to see if that ticket or voucher is still valid to redeem for your convention ticket. The worst thing is, no, it's not. But at least you know and you have some peace of mind, and then you can go get your $245 ticket. Now, awesome steal for anybody that bought the large party kit though, because you are saving $245 this year. To my understanding, in past events, normally it averaged between $140 and $160. So that is a major savings right there. So redeem your voucher ticket if you got that free voucher in your large party kit. Now be sure that if you redeem it, and you end up canceling, you need to cancel by June 18th. Don't wait that long, but that's the date you need to cancel by, or you'll be tacked on a $50 fee after June 18th. So lots of great things to know about this event. Please be sure to check out the frequently asked questions that we have on that website. I have a few links in the comments taking you to different places to get more information. Start checking out the prices for the airfare. Even though our tickets aren't available for purchase yet until May 18th, start actually reserving things in which you have the opportunity to cancel and get 100% refund. So like the hotel, start booking hotels right now, because you know what? You can get a refund, because a lot of hotels actually allow you to cancel within a certain time period, and they will not charge your card, or they will refund your deposit if one is required. So you don't want to miss out on this event. You do want to have a place to stay. You can even start looking at airfare actually going there. So I know for Hawaii, Las Vegas is still on the West Coast, so it's definitely still doable. We are excited on behalf of the Shine with Aloha team. So do your best, sell, budget, whatever you need to do to get to this convention. Remember, the tickets go on sale on May 18th. Still need to consider your travel expenses to include airfare, hotel, meals, any extracurricular activities you want to do, and money to buy more bling, because you know they release convention pieces along and exclusive hot pieces. So let's celebrate together. I look forward to seeing you folks. And if you do see me, please give me a shaka and say, Aloha, Kyra. I'd love to meet you guys. I'd love to catch up. And thank you all for your support on my YouTube channel. I love changing this world $5 at a time. So if you want to be a part of this, where we have lots of fun, we own our own business, work a flexible schedule, and get money while at it, please contact me at shinewithaloha@gmail.com. This is the perfect time to get your large party kit as well. Once again, it's $499. It comes with 200 pieces of jewelry. You will double your profit though, because remember, we sell pieces for $5 and you're getting 200 pieces of jewelry. That's a $1,000 return, and you paid $499 for your kit. So you're gonna profit $500, but you get your convention ticket. Oh yes, $245 is what it's worth. Redeemable within a year of buying your starter kit. So this is the perfect time to join with that kit, let alone attend convention, and I look forward to seeing you all. Be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.